Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to review Samsung Galaxy Note 9 in 2021. So without any delay, let's get started. Let's power on the device. On the left side there is a BIXBY button and volume rocker. On the bottom there is a 3.5 mm head jack, Type-C connector, speaker grill and S Pen. On the right side there is a power button. On the top there is a secondary voice cancellation and SIM tray. It took about 35 seconds to switch on the device. Not bad for 3-year-old device, I must say. So let's talk about its specification. It has glass body finish. It has 6.4 inch of display with 1440 x 2960 of resolution. The fingerprint scanner is on back. 12 megapixel primary and secondary camera. So at first, check the weight of the phone. I will guess the weight. It may weigh about 180 gram. Not bad. It is a bit heavy device, but the performance is also like that. Let's go to settings, about phone section and see the software informations. The device is running on Android 10.0. Over that there's a skin called One UI. The One UI version is 2.5. Samsung flagship phones, they give 3 to 4 years of security patch and 2 major Android updates. Still this phone getting Android security updates. Don't expect Android 11 update. So as of I said, there is only 2 major updates. They already given that update. So if you come to display settings, there's a light mode and dark mode, and as well as you can change the screen resolution. I mean, this is the best part in this mobile. You can change the resolution. If you want to save the battery, you can decrease the resolution. This phone has everything that nowadays phones gives. They still give security patch updates. So thanks to Samsung community. So let's talk about camera. The Samsung Galaxy Note 9 comes with dual camera. The one is wide angle lens and the other one is primary lens that has 12 megapixel. So you can see the color balancing is good and the detailing is very good. Even the front camera is also comes with 12 megapixel that captures good selfies. The camera has various modes that you can see: Pro mode, panorama, night mode, live focus, hyperlapse, pro video, slow motion as well as super slow motion, etc. If you go to settings, you can see rear video size. You can set the resolution 3840 into 2160 with 60 fps. You can shoot with maximum with that resolution. Overall, the camera performance is very good. Now I will close all the recent apps and I will test the app opening speed. So you can see it opens the application within a fraction of a second. The app opening speed is not an issue for a 3-year-old device. It will open the application instantly. There's no lag in between opening and closing the application. You can see all the application will open smoothly. So let's play a game. Let's open Subway Surfer. I just installed that, so it is a bit slow for the first time to load, but you can wait all day. With this display, you can wait all day seeing this display. This is the brightest, crispier display. The gameplay is very smooth, no issue in this. You can play heavy graphic games in this mobile like PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile, etc. Even the Fortnite plays good. If you're a heavy gamer, this phone will surely helps you. So it has Mali G72. The game will run smoothly. No issue in this section. Now let's get into RAM management. Now I will open all the previous loaded apps. Let's see. No, it doesn't load it twice. You can see all the apps in the memory. Let's open the game. Yes, even the game doesn't load twice. So the RAM management is good. No issue in this section also. Big thumbs up. So if anyone heard the name Galaxy Note, the first thing comes to our mind is S Pen. This is the major difference between S series and Note series. The pen has various options to utilize. You can write a note, write a drawing, like as I did. Sorry for the drawing, but it is good, right? If you open the pen, automatically it shows the note menu, so that instantly you can take the notes. If you long press the button in the pen, it will open the camera. After opening the camera, if you press the button, it will take a picture. You can use it to take a selfie. It comes handy. You can use your mobile with the pen or without your finger. Obviously, right? Now let's see the features of the pen. You can see the floating button. If you click that, you can see the various options of S Pen. See, you can drag and take a screenshot of any part in the mobile. You can share, save, etc. View notes, create notes, smart select, pen app, translate. There are many features. Even it shows the battery of the S Pen. Yes, it will recharge if you put back into the mobile. If it comes to 0%, that will not work. Now let's see the quality of the video. So let's open the good content. Let's open this. You can see the resolution that this mobile can play. You can see this display. This is crispier. The edge. The stunning display. The viewing Angle is also very good. If you are a movie lover, this mobile is for you. Go ahead, take it. Now let's check the audio quality. Last but not least, let's talk about BIXBY. BIXBY is not that good if you compare to Google Assistant or Siri, but this is usable. If you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Note 9, then go ahead, purchase this mobile. You won't regret, I will promise. This is a very good mobile in 2021 also. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe.